Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the February 2026 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, along with several freebies we give our subscribers. If you want even more product, we have 3 add-ons. The cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-on, so you can make your kit even bigger. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so you can pick it up for more pattern paper and embellishments as well. So be sure to check out all those reveal videos at the end of this one. Along with your kit, when you're a subscriber, you get access to a free exclusive cut file from Cut to You. So these are designed exclusively for our subscribers. This month is this cupcake duo. So perfect for birthdays or celebrating, or we have Valentine's Day this month. So perfect for your sweetheart there. We also give you access to 4 recipe cards. These are 4 double page layouts that our design team creates for you, so you can create right along with them. We also have sketches and the Freaky Fast Friday and all of that online on our Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to check those out as well. This month our 4 collections are Snowflake Season from Bella Boulevard, They Say It's Your Birthday by Cartabella, Bookish from Echo Park, and Simple Stories Take Note. So you can see we have a wide variety of collections and themes. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these. The first collection we're going to look at is Snowflake Season from Bella Boulevard. And you're going to start with 2 sheets of blue cardstock, your patterned paper. Oops, to move this over. Your pattern paper is this fun heart print with all of the different colors. This paper is called Snowstruck, and the back is a text which says wintertime with hearts all the way across. We have this great frame that's perfect for a background. This paper is called Cozy Corners. The back is a snowflake in gray. We have this paper called Snowstorm, which is all of the snowflakes in the different colors coming down, and the back is a pink polka dot. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the enamel dots or the enamel hearts. So I got these. All of your embellishments will vary among the kits, but you're going to get an assortment of the icon and word ephemera. So these are the ones that I got. The cute little polar bear, the penguin, hearts, and snowflakes. Lots and lots of snowflakes. So those are the ones that I got. That is Snowflake Season from Bella Boulevard. The next collection we're going to look at is They Say It's Your Birthday from Cartabella. I love this collection because it's more of a muted colors. Seems like a lot of our birthday collections are bright primary, which is great. And you can see the stickers are a little bit brighter. But I love this because sometimes for an adult birthday, we don't want the bright primaries and stuff. I think this is perfect for adults as well as kids. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of blue cardstock. This pattern paper with the happy birthday spelled out on balloons. The back is the red plaid design. This paper is called Birthday Balloons. And then we have these large polka dots. Love that. And the back is just a scribbled circle print in the aqua. That paper is called Hip Hip Hooray Dots. And then we have the fun party hats and all of the different prints. And the back is a play on yellow stripes. And this paper is called Birthday Song Party Hats. So even if you don't want to do birthdays, you can see the B-sides are completely generic. Your embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border of the party hats, all of these great word labels, time for cake every day. We have circles and scalloped frames and just the rectangular frames that you could use for titles and subtitles, and then all of these great icons, these birthday cakes. Look at that banana split, yum. And we also have all the little tiny sprinkles too that we like to use. I love this little tassel banner and the candles. Look at that. Every time I look at it, I see more things. Super cute. So that is They Say It's Your Birthday from Cartabella. Our next collection is Bookish by Echo Park. So for everyone that loves their books, this is a perfect collection to document. I'm thinking I'm going to document everything that I read last year, because that was one of my goals last year, was to read more, because I had just spent years not reading. So this is perfect. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This beautiful floral print, and again, I love the colors in this collection. So many great collections this month. This one is a diamond with florals. It's called Favorite Book Floral. Reminds me of the old-fashioned hardback covers of books, that design. Then we have the shelf with all of the books and the glasses and the little succulents. The back is a pink floral. This paper is called Stacked Shelves. And then we have this gorgeous ledger with the florals, so it's perfect for a background already. And the back is a green tone-on-tone with the vine. This paper is called Lined Paper Layout. Just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of the enamel dots, so the colors will vary. And then you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the tags and frames ephemera. So these will vary among the kits as well, but these are the ones that I got. There's no such thing as too many books, just not enough shelves. So that is Bookish from Echo Park. Our final collection is the Take Note from Simple Stories. Another collection that I love. It's going to be so much fun to use for so many different kind of documenting. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is In the Moment, which is this sunburst pattern with the different prints. Love that. This would be super cute to stitch over. It already kind of gives that illusion of stitching. The back is a turquoise grid. Happy Days Ahead is this gorgeous floral print, and the back is a yellow grid. This paper's Choose to Soar, which is all of these great butterflies. Again, when you see paper like this, you want to fussy cut some of them for embellishments. And the back is a script tone-on-tone pink. Super gorgeous. Love the colors in this collection as well. For your embellishments, these will vary among the kits, but you're going to get some of the foam stickers. So these are the ones I got. You're going to get some of the brads, and you're going to get some of the bits and pieces here. So these are the ones that I received, but a nice little assortment to get you going. So that is Take Note from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to click on these video reveals here for the 3 add-ons available and the Shots of Life. Come over to the store, check out all the other kits available. We still have some of the flip albums for Christmas and the 49th and Market Buzz collection, but there's still a few in the store, so grab those. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.